Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. In last video, we have played the market game. Also, we have seen about combinations of denominations. Today, also we are going to see the combinations of denominations and exchange of money. Objectives: to infer that money transactions need exchange in between denominations, to identify various combinations of denominations, to learn exchanging money in simple combinations. Children, open page number 96. Draw the currency. Read the price tags of the following items and write two possible combinations of notes and coins that you would use to buy them. This is price tag and the amount is rupees 180. So for this 180 we have to write two possible combinations. The first combinations 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, and the next possible combination is 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. If we add, then we will get 180 rupees. Question 2. The price tag is of rupees 145. So we have to write here two possible combinations for rupees 145. The first possible combination is 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5, and the second 50 plus 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5. Here we have to write the possible combinations for rupees 249. The first possible combination is 100 plus 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5 plus 2 and plus 2. The second one is 100 plus 100 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. So children, like this, try to make possible combinations for the given price tag. In this way, complete page number 97 in your maths textbook. Let's see page number 100. The question is, tick the correct option for the following situations. Question number 1. Nisar wants to buy a book for himself. He likes 4 books from the store but wants to buy the cheapest book so that he can save money to buy some stationery. Cheapest means low price. Which book should he buy? Book number 1 price is rupees 222. Book 2 rupees 422. Book 3 rupees 333 and book 4 rupees 219. Nisar wants to buy cheapest books means the price of the book is less. So for this amount is less, so he should buy this book because he wants to save the money to buy some stationery. Question number 2. Shruti saved different amounts of money every month. In which month did she save the maximum amount? Maximum means more. January rupees 150, March rupees 211, May rupees 194 and July rupees 321. Here we have to find out the maximum amount, means the amount which is more. So this amount is more, rupees 321. Question number 3. Jay celebrated his birthday by donating various things to an orphanage. Orphanage means anath ashram. Some of them are given below. Which was the most expensive among them? Expensive means of more cost. Books rupees 770, food rupees 890, medicines rupees 860, toys rupees 990. So which cost is more? Among all these, toys are expensive. Next question, practice at home, is for homework. Open page number 102. The question is, read the following situations and solve the questions. Vaibhav's mother gave him a ₹100 note to buy some sweets. He saw the following price list in the bakery shop. This is the price list. Children, consider yourself in place of Vaibhav and then read the situations and solve the questions. The first one is, can he buy a chocolate truffle pastry and a black currant pastry? Children, see the price list. The price of chocolate truffle pastry is ₹40. Plus black currant pastry's price is ₹42. ₹40 plus 42 is 82 rupees. Vaibhav have 100 rupees. So children, yes, he can buy both the things. So write here, yes, he can buy a chocolate truffle pastry and a black currant pastry. Question 2. If he wants to buy 2 chocolate cookies for his brother, will he have enough money left to buy chocolate cake? Let's see the price of chocolate cookies. The price of chocolate cookies is ₹10. He wants to buy 2 chocolate cookies, means 10 plus 10, 20. So here he spent ₹20 and the price of chocolate cake is ₹120. Children, Vaibhav's mother gave him ₹100. Now see here, he spent ₹20 for chocolate cookies. So 100 minus 20 rupees. Now he left with ₹80 and the price of chocolate cake is ₹120. So here he have not enough money left to buy chocolate cake. How much money will be left if he decides to buy 2 chocolate truffle pastries? The price of this chocolate truffle pastry is ₹40 and he wants to buy 2 chocolate truffle pastry, means 40 plus 40, 80. So what will come? 100 rupees minus 80 rupees. 100 minus 80, 20 rupees. So write here 20 rupees will be left with him. Question 4. He finally bought 2 things from the shop and also saved rupees 10. Write down the names of things that he might have bought. He have rupees 100. Now let's see the price list. Children, he have rupees 100 and he left with or he saved rupees 10, means 100 minus 10, 90 rupees. So if he bought the things of rupees 90, then only he can save rupees 10. So let's see the price list. See here, the chocolate truffle pastry price is rupees 40 and the price of this donut is rupees 50. So 40 plus 50, 90. So write down the name of that 2 items here. Children, page number 103 is for homework.